ألف لام را تلك آيات الكتاب المبين إنا أنزلناه قرآنا عربيا لعلكم تعقلون.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. I welcome you to my YouTube channel. My name is Dr. Atif Siddiqui. I am an electronic engineer by profession with a PhD degree in telecommunication. I've been working in the industry around the world for last 25 to 30 years in various positions. Currently, I'm based in the UK and working in my area of telecommunication. I've been a student of Islamic studies for last couple of decades, working under several scholars. I've been studying tafsir, I've been studying fiqh, seerah, and hadith. And I've also focused on Quranic Arabic. I've compiled a book to learn Quranic Arabic as well. I've been giving Friday sermons in different masajid in the UK for last 17 years. And I thought I'll record these for a wider audience. Hence, I've started my YouTube channel. Being a student of Islamic studies and also in the technical area of telecommunication, where we have seen a boom in artificial intelligence and other areas, I've been working on using these technologies, artificial intelligence, in developing some applications to learn tajweed and another one to memorize Quran. The purpose of this channel is not to start something new, rather take the work of our incredible scholars forward, make things easy and accessible for common men. Prophet ﷺ used to explain very complex things in a very simple and quick manner. And this is the theme of this channel. Through this channel, I will record a series of videos in different areas. Some of those areas are tafsir of Quran, where I'll present small stories from Quran, focusing on the lessons learned. And then within the episodes of hadith, I'll pick up some hadith and we'll go through and learn something from those hadith. Apart from that, I'll also present and record some lectures on Quranic Arabic and how we can create a link to Quran by learning some of the Quranic Arabic. And finally, other areas as well, which I will cover. So I hope this will be beneficial for everyone. Keep praying for us and subscribe and give us your feedback. And inshallah, we'll add more topics based on the feedback. Thank you for listening. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun wa salamun alal mursalin walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.
ألف لام را تلك آيات الكتاب المبين إنا أنزلناه قرآنا عربيا لعلكم تعقلون.